Etekcity's MSR A1000 combines innovative features into a sturdy and reliable device, ready for any electrical task. The backlit LCD's large display makes it easy to see measurements. True TRMS provides more accurate readings with overcharge protection up to DC 1000 volts. Check AC/DC voltages and currents, resistance, continuity, diodes, capacitance, temperature, and frequency. Try using NCV, non-contact voltage mode, to detect AC electrical fields without contact. To test the battery, set the multimeter to DC voltage. Auto range will automatically determine the recommended voltage. Connect the black lead to the COM terminal and the red lead to the ohm terminal. Keeping your fingers behind the guards on the test probes, connect the black probe to the negative side and the red probe to the positive. Always make sure to connect the black probe before the red. When taking the probes off, remove the red before the black. To check the voltage of a power strip or outlet, set the multimeter to AC voltage. Insert the probes into the power strip. Make sure they don't touch. A reading of 110 to 120 volts means the strip is working properly. To measure frequency, turn the dial to Hertz and connect the test probes to the circuit. To use non-contact voltage mode, turn the dial to NCV and point the multimeter at the power source. The multimeter will beep if voltage is detected. Don't forget, you can also use the multimeter to check for temperature. Plug in the Type K thermocouple temperature probe and touch the probe to the object you're measuring. These are just a few of the Digital Multimeter's many easy uses. Etekcity's MSR A1000 is the ultimate tool to test, fix, and solve any electrical problem that comes your way. Etekcity, building on better living.
The AstroAI True RMS 6000 counts digital multimeter is the go-to tool for household electricians and workers alike. Its robust design not only travels anywhere, but also features an ergonomic rubber bumper exterior, magnetic hook, and kickstand for ultimate practicality. This multimeter is designed to precisely measure both AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, temperature, continuity, and frequency. You'll be pleased to find this DMM also tests capacitance, diodes, and transistors. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading with a sampling speed of 2 times per second. Convenient features like a backlit LCD, data hold function, and built-in kickstand make the 6000 counts DMM easy for anyone to use. The utilitarian design allows for both automatic and manual ranging, depending on your project needs. AstroAI provides extra peace of mind with its included 3-year warranty. Safely and efficiently take care of all your electrical needs with the AstroAI TRMS 6000 counts digital multimeter.
Whether you're a professional or a beginner, the AstroAI 10,000 count digital multimeter is the perfect tool for both simple and complex electrical projects. The built-in smart function allows the multimeter to automatically identify if you're measuring AC and DC voltage, resistance, or continuity. This meter's intelligence doesn't stop there. Use the professional settings to select specific measurement functions, and the meter will illuminate the jacks to plug in your test leads. The digital multimeter can also accurately measure AC and DC voltage, AC and DC current, continuity, capacitance, frequency, resistance, temperature, and includes features like diode testing, non-contact voltage, and live wire detection. Its ergonomic layout accommodates both right and left-handed users. The compact design is similar to a smartphone, making it incredibly easy to fit in your tool bag or even your pocket. It also features a large color LCD screen with backlit display and a built-in flashlight for low-light testing environments. The silicone protective case prevents electric shock and damage from drops and falls. The AstroAI 10,000 count digital multimeter makes projects a breeze in your home, garage, or job site to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
The main compartment has a complete set of tools. First and foremost, you need a meter. Fluke right now has the 116. It's our HVAC meter. This meter will check your temperature, voltage up to 600 volts. You can even do your microamps for your flame sensors, your flame rectifiers. Next meter I want to pull out, the 902FC is a current clamp and voltmeter all in one. Great thing about this tool is you can measure up to 600 amps AC on it, as well as you can do 600 volts AC/DC. This clamp also does temperature, and it does your microamp testing as well. Now out in the field, if you're doing any heating and air conditioning, you're going to need a temperature humidity meter. The 971 temperature humidity meter will allow you to do your wet bulb, your dew point, your humidity, as well as your temperature. This is a great tool when you're balancing out your heat pumps in your AC units. So any type of gas-fired unit, it's going to emit some CO, some carbon monoxide. Fluke offers our CO220 carbon monoxide meter. This thing will go from 0 to 999 parts per million. So we also have our 922 mini manometer. The 922 is a great tool, comes with 2 different hoses. You can get your static pressure checks, and especially when you're trying to get your total static pressure against your coils, your filters, you can see how your system is working. There are times when you need to make an insulation test. Fluke offers our 1587 FC insulation tester. An insulation tester is really another term for a megger. So a lot of times we'll need to do a test on that insulation, whether it's on the compressor or out on the motor. So this meter itself can go up to 1,000 volts when making an insulation test. The great thing on a couple of our products is you'll see the letters FC. FC stands for Fluke Connect. You're able to link in the unit with your smartphone, and then therefore save data and download data. You can actually record with most of the meters that say FC. This is a great tool to show what a product is doing. Maybe you have a troubled compressor. You can hook up an FC unit, make those measurements overnight, come back to them the next day and make those measurements.